How's it going, guys? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and check out this boat. This is a 2023 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. We just took it in on trade. It is in pristine condition. It's got about 50 hours on it, so it's low hours, and I absolutely love this boat. You can see it's in the white hull color with the chrome graphics on the side, black rub rail, just a classic look on the Whaler. Up front here, you got your casting platform rigged up for a trolling motor already. And here you've got your anchor storage / fish box ready to go. It's got the fishing package, so you do have your cooler up front / seat with your rod holders, tackle storage right here. At the helm, you've got your analog gauge, smart gauge right there for Mercury, and your throttle, a couple switches there, keeping it simple on this one. You got a bimini top boat to keep you out of the sun. Right here, you've got this helm seat that will pivot from front to back. You got your nice 12-gallon fuel tank down there. And this boat, just like every 15 Montauk, is powered by a Mercury 60. Just an absolutely perfect boat. You do just about anything on it. It's the unsinkable legend. You got to see it for yourself. This boat is available now at MarineMax Coco, or give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you.